I just see this video just now. AY wife just deliver a bouncy baby girl after how many years? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about AY. Hey. Congratulations, oh God, wey do your own, go do everybody own. I am so happy for you, oh. After how many years, oh? Una know how many years wey pikin dey now? Your daughter. AY, now be 50 years birthday celebrate that day. You see, what God cannot do does not exist. I am so happy for AY and the wife. I am so happy for them. Congratulations. Like, I am so happy. I am so happy for them, oh. I happy well, because AY, don't take now how many years. I even be the think, say, I been only one pikin, they say they want born. Before I can see this one now, I was really like, oh, I say, what God cannot do does not exist. Congratulations. That your beautiful baby will just come so he will never regret coming to you people's life at all. I am so happy for you people. God bless that child. God bless that child. Like, oh my gosh. God go bless your wife. God go bless her. And thank God for safe delivering. Thank God. I am so happy, like seriously. May una join me congratulate AY. It's not easy. After how many years? After how many years? God can give the wife another pikin again. Oh, congratulations. What you want to say make God do for una for this new year wey not do for una? God don't do everything for una. I am so happy for you people. I am like, when I see the video, I first thing I pass am. I just make I look am just now. Congratulations, AY. Congratulations. Like, congratulations. I am so happy for you. Like, seriously. I am so happy. Congratulations. Mona join me congratulate AY. Mona join me congratulate am. If you be lovers of good thing, I beg, congratulate AY. Congratulate am because it's not easy. It's not easy, my darling people. It's not easy. I am so happy for him and the wife. Like, you know how many years? Una know how many years? Una know how many years where they look for pikin. God can finally give them pikin now. Congratulations. I know you know what to say again. Like, congratulations. I am so happy for you and your wife. Congratulations. So Mona join me congratulate AY. Mona congratulate him. So that God will say answer your own prayer. Thank you. Now just short video. I just want to do for them. I'm not going to make the video too long. Congratulations. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Mona help me congratulate them. Bye.
Hello, my people. I just want to pass this short message to some presenters, some female presenters. Let me tell you, people, it's very wrong to be calling women a shower. I want, if you not see this video, wanna get some little sense. And change your mindset this 2022. If you are a man and you are a presenter, you are calling woman name a shower or describing the woman, you know what I'm saying? Let me tell you, you are a disgrace as a man. Let me tell you, as far you are a man and you are not a game, you are not a maricon, you are not a game, and you must sleep with a woman and have sex with a woman, and you are calling the rest woman a prostitute or a shower. Guy, go and think. Something must be wrong with you. So you have to change your mindset this 2022. Don't insult women. Don't call them names, prostitute, a shower, all those kind. Don't call them, because you know what? You will give birth to a girl. If you are not married, maybe you have a female child. If you are not married, maybe you will marry and you are going to give birth to a girl. Now somebody go chook am. Now somebody will chook am. So what is the essence of calling women prostitute or ashawo? If somebody wrong you, I don't know if you're a presenter, if somebody wrong you, instead of calling that woman name, you insult that woman, or there are some things you will say and let it rest. So if you're a guy, you always insult a woman, call them different type of name, prostitute, always call them a guy. You know they try. Because one thing you should know, the person you marry, maybe not be you virgin, or the wife when you even marry, na person virgin. So you don't have the right. So be careful this year. Try and change your mindset, because you don't know when, where you will find somebody that you love. So be careful what you say. And also, no matter what some women don't do, no matter what some don't do, they might made a mistake in the past. That doesn't mean they will not move ahead. That's why you look. I want giving a small example. If small baby want try make a waka, sometimes they fall many times, and he will see waka. So the same thing with we human beings. Sometimes we might make mistake in the past. That doesn't mean we will not go ahead. So no matter you do as a presenter, you are a female presenter or a male presenter, try change your mindset. Think what you are saying, whether the thing makes sense. Because this life, nobody is perfect, including me that is talking, including you that is perfect. Nobody is perfect. Why must you be laughing other? When you know this life, nobody is above mistake. So before you say anything, present something, try to accuse somebody, search inside of you, search. Say, before I say this thing, am I a victim, or this thing have happened to me? Because nobody knows tomorrow. It might not happen to you, but maybe time to come will also happen to you. So no need for you as a presenter to be laughing one another. So it's an advice to a lot of presenters, mostly from Edo State. This is an advice to you people. This is 2022. Mona live saga. You know, this life is too short. Live saga. You that is doing live video. Time you used to do your topic and go and take care of your children. No. Most of you will lock your children inside the room, give them tablet. Give them tablet to be used to be playing game. And most of them have their careers. They have their assignments. You know, assist them because you carry other people issue. Like, how much is Facebook giving you people?